entire crew and myself, Jay, and may I wish each and every one of you on behalf of each and every one of us smooth air, calm water, a clear trail, and Godspeed. And thank you for choosing Alaska this summer. Thank you very much. And welcome back to Steamboat Landing. And here is the man right here, all decked out in his playman, Lance Mackey. And here are your coach commanders and escorts, delirious with joy that you are back safely. And Lance will have one of his dogs in there. One of the dogs that went with him to Nome made it all the way. It'll probably be Amp, who is a terrific little dog, 2-year-old male. So you'll get it. A wonderful selection of items for the little folks. Anybody under your list, so let us help you. Save your money on the sales tax and on the list price too. Sabrina and her crew do a great job here. So say out if there are any questions. I'll be glad to do. We'll be showing you where the items are you're most interested in.
Oh, is that right?
Outerwear to underwear is sitting there somewhere. And that's my job. Come on, buddy.
Okay, we'll leave on. Right here. He loves kids. Don't be scared. You know. Okay, well, stand here. Stand on your legs. Come on, him. He loves the kids.
Alright, if everyone could look at the camera and smile. 1, 2, 3. Alright, everybody ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
It'll stay that way.
Right. So he must have been when he was a baby, like training it, and he keeps twisting. He sticks his thumb and I could go right down here.
taking her out here so you can get to know her.
You're good? Okay.
No.